Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. I am your subject teacher of computer, and in our last video we have discussed about the chapter number 1 and chapter name is computer a machine, and in our live class also we have discussed about this chapter. And in this video we are going to discuss about the worksheet of this chapter. Worksheet of the chapter first. Chapter name is computer, a machine. So students, listen carefully. Come on the exercises. Exercise A. Take the correct answer. Students, in this exercises, you have to choose the correct one from this given option. First, this type of computer can be carried in a pocket. Which type of computer you can carry it in a pocket? Laptop, option A. Option B, smartphone. Option C, tablet. I think you know very well, student. I have explained about this in your earlier classes, so you know which type of computer you can carry it in a pocket and which type of computer doesn't take lots of space. You know very well which you can carry it in your pocket. Option B, smartphone. I think you know very well what is smartphone, and nowadays everyone uses a smartphone. So smartphone you can carry it in your pocket at anywhere, in every places. So students, come on, second. Come on, second. This type of computer cannot be carried around easily. Option A, desktop. Option B, smartphone. Option C, laptop. This type of computer you cannot carry it. You cannot carry it around easily. And which type of computer you cannot carry it easily at anywhere? I think you know very well. Option A is the correct, and this is the desktop computer because it took a lots of space. So you cannot carry desktop computer at anywhere easily. So desktop computer is the correct answer. Now come on, third. Which of the following is a machine? First option is book, second option is picture of cat, and third option is the desktop computer. This is the picture of a desktop computer. Which of a machine? I think student you know very well. Machine are man-made things, means which are made by man, made by human being. Books, cat are machine. Is book is a machine or is cat is a machine? No. Option C is correct option. This is a desktop computer and computer is a man-made machine. So option C is the correct answer. Student, come on. Exercise B. Fill in the blanks. Students, in this exercises, you have to fill all the blank space from this hint box. First, a dash has a touch screen. Which smart gadget or which gadgets has touch screen? I think you knows very well. Which option is correct? Tablet, information, machines, smartphone. Smartphone is the correct answer. So student, you have to choose smartphone from this inbox and write at this place. Now come on, second. Sorry, dash are man-made things that make our work easier and quicker. Which are man-made things and which make our work easier and quicker and faster? Which option is correct? Tablet, information, machines or smartphone? Machines is the correct option. So you have to choose machine from this inbox and write machine at this place. Now come on. Third, a computer can store dash. What computer can store? Tablet, information, machine or smartphone? Information. Information is the correct option which computer can store. So, student, you have to choose information from this hint box and write information at this place. Come on, fourth. A dash is smaller than a laptop computer. Which computer is smaller than a laptop computer? I think, student, you knows it. And I have explained you in your earlier classes, in your live classes. So you knows it. Which type of computer is smaller than laptop computer? Tablet, information, machines or smartphone? Which option is correct? Tablet. Tablet is smaller than laptop computer. So students, you have to choose tablet from this hint box and write tablet at the given place. So student, here you have to write tablet and tablet is the correct answer. So student, I hope you all understand about this exercises. And now come on, next exercise. That is exercise C. Write T for true and F for false. Students, in this exercises, you have to give answer according to the given statement. If your statement is wrong, then your answer will be false. And if your statement is right, then your answer will be true. So, now come on first. Machines are natural things. Is machine is a natural things? I have explained you in your classes, in your earlier classes. I think you knows very well. Machines are natural thing. Is it correct? No, machines are man-made things. Machines are made by human being. So this statement is wrong. So student, you have to write false at this given space. Now, come on, second. Student, come on. Second, a computer is a smart machine. A computer is a smart machine. Is it true? Yes, computer is a smart machine because it make our work easier, faster and it never make mistake. Computer never make any mistake and it work very fast. So computer is a smart machine and this statement is right. So student, you have to write true at this given place. Now come on. Third, a pair of scissors run with human power. A pair of scissors run with human power. I think students, you knows it. Scissors need human power to work. So this statement is right and you have to write true at this given place. Now come on. Fourth, a desktop can be carried anywhere in a bag. You can carry desktop anywhere in a bag. I think you knows about what is desktop computer. A desktop, is it true? No, because desktop took a lots of space and You cannot carry desktop anywhere in a bag because it took a lots of space. It took a lots of space and it is very big in size. It is kept on a table, so you cannot carry desktop anywhere in a bag. So this statement is wrong and you have to write false at this given place. Now come on, next exercise, that is exercise D. Come on, next exercise, this is exercise D. Rearrange the letter to form correct word. Students, in this exercises, you have to rearrange the letter of this word and write at this place. Now, look at the first MANADAME. What is the correct sequence of this word? MANMADE. Man-made. So student, come on. Second. Come on. Second. What is the correct sequence of this word? ANTURLA. Correct sequence is NATURAL. Natural. Now come on, third. ALPOPT. And what is the correct sequence of this word? LAPTOP. Laptop. Now come on, fourth. OMPCUTRE. What is the correct sequence of this word? COMPUTER. Computer is the correct sequence of the word. Now this exercise is completed. I hope you all understand about these exercises. Now come on, next. Tick the object which are machine and cross the ones which are not. Students, in this exercises, you have to tick the object which are machine and cross the object which are not machine, which are not machines. First of all, what is this? This is the picture of a telephone. This telephone is a machine. Yes, telephone is a machine because telephone is made by man. So you have to cross at this given box. And what is this? This is the picture of a table. This table is a machine. No, table is not a machine. So you have to cross at this given box. Now come on, next. What is this? This is the picture of a leaf. Is leaf is a machine? No, leaf is not a machine. Leaves is not a machine. So you have to cross at this given box. Now come on, next. What is this? This is a picture of light. Light is a machine. Yes, because it is made by human being. So you have to cross at this given box. What is this? This is the picture of a owl. So it is a machine. No, it is not a machine. So you have to cross at this given box. Now come on, next exercise. In this exercises, collect the picture of different type of computer and paste them in the boxes given below. Students, in this exercises, you have to collect the picture of different type of computer. Like in first box, you have to paste the picture of a smartphone. And in second, you have to paste the picture of desktop. Now come on, next. And in third, you have to paste the picture of laptop. And in fourth, you have to paste the picture of tablet. So student, you have to paste the picture of the computer according to their names, which is given at the bottom of the boxes. So students, I hope you all understand about this exercises, and write all these exercises in your computer CW copy, and this is your today's homework of computer. That's all. Thank you.